Good morning, student. This year, because of COVID-19 and school are still closed, that's why the CBSE has revised the course of ninth class science. And in front of you, I am showing you all the course. It is revised. That some of the chapter is removed from your course. They will be present in your internal assessment. You can study them if already completed, but for the final exam there is only 10 chapters are there. So I will discuss by the name with you. In chemistry, nature of matter, that is also present. Particles, nature and their basic units, atoms, molecules, law of constant proportion, all this chapter is present. Structure of atom, electron, proton, neutron, valency, chemical formula, common compound, isotope and isobar. These topics are present. But in a second unit, organization in living world, the cell chapter is present, and tissue, organ system, this is also present. And after that, the chapter biodiversity, that is removed from your course this year. And the health and disease, the why do we fall, chapter number 11, that is also present this year. It will be present in your final assessment. Now move to the physics part. Theme, moving things, people and idea, unit third, motion, force and work. Though four chapters in physics is also present: motion, distance, displacement, velocity, all these parts, force and Newton's laws are present, gravitation, work, energy and power. The chapter sound is removed from the course. Okay, so if we count total, earlier it was approximate 16 chapter in your science in ninth class, but now there is only 10 chapters are there, 3 from the chemistry and 3 from the bio and 4 chapter from the physics. So courses get revised, so please follow the revised course this year. But 2 chapter will be present in your internal assessment, like physical resources, air, water, soil, air of respiration, combustion for moderating temperature, movement of air and its role in bringing rain across the India. That are environmental related topics and very important for our daily uses and daily knowledge. And air, water, soil pollution in brief, holes in ozone layer, very important for us for conserving our nature and environment. This is very important. And biogeochemical cycles in nature, water, oxygen and carbon nitro, that is very important for our daily life. We have to understand that. That's why these are topics are present and involved in internal assessment. But in case of final exams, in your 80 marks final paper, only 10 chapter will be involved. So please note them and download the PDF I'm forwarding you. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like all the information, please subscribe my channel, The Easy Way by D. Bhavani Singh. Thank you. Have a nice day.